Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the break statement. Okay, so let's now go to our browser. So when the break statement is encountered inside the loop is immediately terminated and the program control resumes at the next statement following the loop. So let's apply this in our program. So let's say we want to display the output, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we'll create a loop that will display numbers from 1 to 10. But when it reaches the value of 5, we will terminate the program. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Now let's write our code now. So first thing is we need to initialize here a variable I where this will be used for our loop. Now let's create now a loop, let's say for loop, for I is equals to 1, I less than or equal to 10, then I plus plus. This will now display as numbers from 1 to 10. So let's print it out. Okay, so let's have some spaces here and then I. So if we run our program here, the output is, it will display now numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so this is the output of our program. What we want to do is, when it reaches number 5, it will automatically stop the program and continue with the other set of codes. This is where we're going to apply the break statement. Now here, we're going to have the break statement here. We're going to break. So we have to take up a condition in our program that will allow us to exit our loop here. To do that, we'll have a condition here. If I is exactly equal to 5, what we're going to do here is we're going to break. Okay? So this will exit the loop that we are, the loop that we have, and it will continue with the flow of our program. Okay? So first, we had this output here, but when we run it again, okay, this is now our output. It displays the number from 1 to 1 to 4, but when it reaches this section, if I is exactly equal to 5, it will execute this loop, this statement break, and then what it does is it will uh, continue with the flow of the program, not going through the values 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, so here's the application of the break statement in looping. So I hope you like the program. Thank you for watching. Bye.